Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Pezan Info Central. In this video, I familiar you with the 30 capital cities name of different countries. So let's start. First one is Afghanistan. Its capital city Kabul. Australia. Capital city Canberra. Argentina. Capital city Buenos Aires. Bahrain. Capital city Manama. Bangladesh. Capital city name is Dhaka. Bhutan. Capital city name is Thimphu. China. Capital city name Beijing. Canada. Capital city name Ottawa. Cuba. Capital city name Havana. Egypt. Capital city name Cairo. Ethiopia. Capital city name Addis Ababa. Estonia. Capital city Thailand. France. Capital city Paris. Finland. Its capital city Helsinki. Fiji. Capital city name Suva. Germany. Capital city name Berlin. Greece. Capital city Athens. India. Capital city name New Delhi. Indonesia. Capital city is Jakarta. Iran. The capital city of Iran is Tehran. Iraq. Its capital city name Baghdad. Ireland. The capital city name of Ireland is Dublin. Italy. Its capital city is Rome. Israel. Its capital city is Jerusalem. Japan. The capital city of Japan is Tokyo. Jamaica. Its capital city name is Kingston. Jordan. Its capital city name Amman. Pakistan. The capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad. Sri Lanka. The capital city of Sri Lanka is Colombo. Nepal. Capital city is Kathmandu. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more informative videos.